Hello everyone, this is Praveen Chitoju from TmeChamp. Today we are going to discuss about project management product tool. Managing projects is not just about creating tasks. You need to plan timelines, assign the right people, track progress, manage budgets, monitor workloads, and deliver projects on time. When all this information is spread across different tools, it becomes difficult to stay organized and make informed decisions. TmeChamp's project management tool brings everything together, giving you complete visibility into every project from planning to delivery. Let's see how it works. This dashboard gives you a complete overview of your projects. You can quickly understand how your projects are progressing, monitor upcoming deadlines, review project budgets, and identify work that needs immediate attention. Interactive charts helps you to track project trends, compare them performance, and understand overall project health without opening individual projects. Here you can create and organize projects by client, department, and business unit. Define timelines, assign people to the projects, and monitor progress throughout the project lifecycle. Each project gives you a centralized workspace where your team can collaborate, update work, share files, and track milestones without switching between different applications. This keeps everyone aligned from the start of the projects until completion. You can break the project into smaller, manageable tasks, set priorities, define due dates, and monitor task progresses in real time. As work moves through different stages, everyone stays updated, making collaboration smoother and reducing unnecessary follow-ups. Good project planning helps you avoid delays before they happen. In the planning module, you can plan and schedule projects, manage milestones, and visualize schedules with an interactive timelines. As priorities change, you can quickly adjust schedules and keep everyone working with the latest project plan. Check your team's availability before assigning new work. View employee workloads, identify available capacity, and distribute work more evenly across the team. This keeps workloads balanced and helps prevent delays caused by overloading team members. Find the right people for every task using the skills module. Match work with employee skills to improve resource utilization and ensure every project has the right talent. Stay focused on your own work with a personalized workspace. View assigned tasks, upcoming deadlines, priorities, and work status in one place. This makes it easier to stay organized and complete work on time. Tracking project efforts is just as important as completing the work. The Timesheets module lets your team log working hours, helping you understand where time is spent across projects and tasks. The Finance module gives you visibility into project budgets, cost, and financial performance, making it easier to control expenses and keep projects within budget. Manage all your clients' information from one place. Maintain client profiles, link projects to each client, and access project-related information whenever you need it. This helps you build stronger client relationships. Reports. As projects progress, detailed report helps you measure performance. You can analyze project progress, monitor team productivity, review resource utilization, track budgets, and identify delivery trends. Feedback. Collecting feedback is an important part of continuous improvement. In the feedback module, team members can easily give and receive feedback, share suggestions, and review valuable insights. This helps identify areas for improvement, strengthen collaboration, and deliver better project outcomes over time. Templates. Use project templates for recurring projects with similar workflows. Standardize your processes, reduce repetitive setup, and launch new projects faster with just a few clicks. Connect it to Claude whenever you need AI assistance. Generate ideas, summarize information, and get quick support without leaving your project workspace. Administration. Configure users, roles, permissions, departments, and system settings from one place. Ensure every team member has the right level of access while keeping your workspace secure and organized. Whether you are managing one project or many, TmeChamp's project management tool gives you the visibility, collaboration, and control you need to deliver work on time and with confidence. Plan smarter, collaborate better, deliver projects with confidence.